on the safari. We're going on a safari.
Cohen.
We're gonna see lions too.
You gonna see some lions? There he goes, buddy. Did you give him a high five, buddy? You girls sure are cute. Are you ready for the Cali River Rapids?
Yeah.
Yeah. Cohen, are you ready for the Cali River Rapids?
Yeah.
You want to know yours, Olivia? Remember how to do it?
Right here. Right here.
I'm already wet.
Awesome, you're pre-gaming.
Good job.
Good job, Sissy.
Can you show us how tall you are?
I want to give people
You like
hugs,
it?
but they won't let me.
So I'm glad you do. I made it just for you.
Because I'm
Thank
so...
Going on Cali River Rapids. Might get a little wet.
Yes, 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 babe.
Did you get a special bracelet, Sissy?
But you guys did it. Magic sprinkler.
So excited, Mama?
You're gonna
Yes,
get
so
wet.
excited.
I'm already so
Cali River Rapids.
I'm already so
Gonna get wet.
Be fun.
This is gonna be the best ride ever.
It's gonna be awesome. You know if you do
Fooled ya. You thought you were about to get wet, huh?
It's foggy.
I survived!
Olivia, was that so much fun?
She just said I want to do it again.
How was it? Thumbs up? You give it a thumbs up?
Cohen, where are we? Dinoland? Is that the name of this?
Dinoland!
Has it been raining a lot today? How was it?
Good.
So fun?
He wants to do that one too. Expedition Everest, that's where we're headed. So Cohen's already been on Expedition Everest with Christy, with AKA Mama. And now Cohen and I are going again. We're strapped in and ready to go. We got on the very front somehow.
It's gonna tickle your belly because we're gonna go to the very top of the mountain.
Here we go.
You get to go up super high.
What do you say?
Thank you.